Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to share my honest advice for anyone who wants financial freedom. This advice is based on my personal journey, and I promise, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to achieve financial freedom as quickly as possible. Before we dive into the steps that worked for me, and can work for you too, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. It really supports the channel and ensures you don't miss out on future tips to grow your wealth. Now, let me break down the steps for financial freedom. Step 1. Find your freedom figure. Financial freedom starts with knowing your target. Your freedom figure is the amount of money you need to live your dream life without worrying about money ever again. Here's how you calculate it. Add up your yearly expenses: housing, transportation, vacations, bills, food, healthcare, and leisure. Multiply that number by 25. For example, if your dream life costs $75,000 a year, your freedom figure is $1.88 million. This is based on something called the Rule of 25, which ensures your investments generate enough passive income to sustain your lifestyle indefinitely. Step 2. Hack your life. Achieving your freedom figure might feel overwhelming, but life hacks can get you there faster. Car hacking. Don't fall into the trap of expensive car loans. Instead, buy a reliable used car that's already depreciated. Drive it for a few years, then sell it for nearly the same price. Brand hacking. Save money by choosing generic brands over big-name ones. For example, swapping out branded cereal for a store brand alternative could save you hundreds annually. House hacking. If you can, buy a duplex or a property with extra rooms. Live in one unit and rent out the others. The rental income can offset your mortgage or rent, effectively cutting one of your biggest expenses. Step 3. Build your credit. Credit cards aren't your enemy, they're a powerful tool if used wisely. A strong credit score opens doors to low-interest loans and better financial opportunities. Here's the key: use your credit card regularly but pay off the balance in full each month. Never spend more than you can afford. Over time, this builds your financial reputation, which will help you save money when it's time to make big purchases, like a home. Step 4. Create multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Think of your income like a stool. If one leg breaks, you're in trouble. That's why having multiple streams of income is essential. Start with a side hustle that builds on your existing skills. This could be freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or even something like tutoring or car cleaning. Once you've got that going, reinvest your earnings into assets like stocks, real estate, or even a small business. Step 5. Expand your money. Here's a secret that wealthy people understand: money is a tool for expansion. Use your money to make more money. Invest in the stock market. Start with an S&P 500 index fund, which has historically provided solid returns over time. Explore real estate. If you can afford a down payment, real estate is an excellent way to grow wealth. House hacking, as I mentioned earlier, is a great way to start. Consider cryptocurrency. While riskier, investing a small percentage in well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum could lead to high returns. Final thoughts: financial freedom isn't about luck, it's about having a clear plan and taking consistent action. Start small, focus on what matters, and keep building. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who needs some financial inspiration. Let's grow together, and I'll see you in the next one.